Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Now we are going to go to Ernakulam to Vypin. Now we are going to park our bike. It will cost us 10 rupees, but that is not a big deal. Now we are going to wait and queue. When it's our turn, we will pay 6 rupees. Ernakulam to Vypin is cost 6 rupees. This is the cheapest and fastest way to get to Vypin. This place is very beautiful. I had a nice experience seeing this video. Our boat is arriving on the boat jetty. After we get our tickets, now we are going to go to boat. Even though this is beautiful, you have to be very careful, especially the skids. There's a gap between the boat and the jetty, so we have to be very careful. The time is 6 p.m. Keep your ticket in your pocket until the end of the journey. Here we have a long shot of the boat jetty. It is very beautiful. You can see the other birds. Today's sky is looking like a painting on a canvas. It is very pretty. We are just in a normal passenger boat. There are many tourist boat services in Ernakulam. Here we can see so many cargo ships. Here we can see a container terminal. We are arriving on Willington Island, but it's not our stop. It's getting darker. It's around 6:20 p.m. The boat is slowly going to the Fort Kochi direction. You can probably see the lights. That is Vallaparam Container Terminal. We can see a tourist boat. It's going back to Ernakulam. The boat is slowly arriving to Fort Kochi, but there are one more stop to go. Most of the passengers are getting off in Fort Kochi. The boat is going to Vypin with less passengers. It's getting darker. Time is around 6:30. Here we can see the Fort Kochi Vypin ferry services. Even though it's not clear, you can still see the lights. Now we reach Vypin Island. It is very dark. There are less street lights on the ferry. The counter is closed, but we can still buy tickets. The last boat is coming, so we are getting ready to go back. Only few people in the boat, but overall it was a great day, to be honest. If you like the video, click the like button and the subscribe button. Follow us on Instagram.